What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and yeah, let's just get right into today's video. So I do a lot of drone videos and I do a lot of phone videos, and I also cover tech, but I also like to cover tech news when things make sense, and nothing is making sense as of right now because Elon Musk has made $3.5 million selling flamethrowers. What? I can't tell you over the past couple of days how many countless tweets I've seen from people saying, I want a flamethrower. I can think of a lot of things that I want on a normal basis. A flamethrower is not one of them. So, a couple of fun facts. You may think to yourself, is a flamethrower illegal? And no, it's not. It's actually illegal in all 48 states. There are only 2 states that it is not legal. Those 2 states are California and Maryland. So if you want a flamethrower and you don't live in either one of those states, you can own a flamethrower for $500. What's more appalling and shocking to me is the fact that when I went to go pre-order a flamethrower, not that I need one, age verification, which means anybody can order a flamethrower as long as you have a credit card and a shipping address. I really hope that that changes, or at least when they do start to ship, they will verify people's age. Otherwise, I think there's going to be a lot of toasty homes here in America. Furthermore, I'm not going to jump on the hype train because it seems like Elon Musk put something out and it's like people are like, oh my god, I need it. I don't need it. Don't need a flamethrower. So this is coming off as sort of a rant. And we don't need flamethrowers walking around. There isn't going to be a zombie apocalypse anytime soon, so I really don't see the point in owning a flamethrower. I'm not saying flamethrowers wouldn't be cool, but I could just see it being really destructive. Unless you're going to have a massive barbecue or have to melt a lot of ice, which is it legal to melt with? I guess it would be cool to have a flamethrower. I don't know why I would need one. I don't even think my wife will let me have a flamethrower. Can I get a flamethrower? Maybe I'll get a flamethrower, but it's just a bad idea to buy a flamethrower. I really hope this is just a horrible joke and like he sends everybody like a $500 Nerf gun. Anyways, guys, if you like this video and you want to see more tech content and news just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos or giveaways. I'll see you next time. Bye.